to my channel, guys. It's Shayla Shay. So glad to have you back. If you aren't a subscriber already, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. Also click on the bell notification so you know when I post new videos. So I know in my last video, I had said that, I wasn't going to do a whole lot of wash and goes. I didn't lie. But Wetline got this new one with like this blue top on it. And I really want to try it because I want to try it. Yeah. Mainly, I ain't even gonna lie. I watched reviews, and a lot of the reviews I saw said that, they got good volume and still got definition, and that their hair didn't feel as crispity crunchity as it does with the original Wetline. Now, I know Wetline Xtreme has all those other ones, like the blue one and the green one, and I never tried any of those. Shoot, I think they even have like one with like a black top. I might be making that up, never mind. But I ran across this in Target. I wasn't even looking for it, and it was only like $2.99 or $3.99, so I went ahead and grabbed it. And after seeing, people's results, and I haven't really seen a review from anyone that said they did not like this gel. So I'm gonna do a wash and go. Judge me later. But I already washed, and it's not deep conditioned, but I already washed and conditioned my hair. I used the Main Choice, the Cheers collection. I used that shampoo and conditioner, and my hair feels really, really good. And for my leave-in, I have the Main Choice Do It for the Culture Accomplished Triple Layer leave-in. So my hair is super, super soft right now. And also, I did put some of the Afro-G keratin green tea restructurizer in my hair prior to putting the leave-in conditioner in, because we ain't got time for breakage. Okay, so yeah, so I'm going to do this wash and go, and hopefully I love my results. I'm not going to mistreat my hair with this wash and go, meaning I'm not going to leave my hair, all tangled, leave it up for more than 3 days. I'll deep condition and make sure, we're not causing issues, because we said we're going to do better this year, right? Right? We are. Okay. So let's get started. My hair is still kind of damp from the Afro-G and just from water. And it's already sectioned off. Good stuff. Feels extremely soft. So I really don't have to do much detangling, if any. The most I'll really have to do is run my Felicia Leatherwood brush through it, and that just kind of helps with clumping the curls. It gets out tangles as well. What are we doing? Okay. Also got some warm water here just in case my hair gets dry. Go ahead and spritz that. Now I'm not too fond of the way this smells. It smells like the inside of a vacuum. Like kind of dusty. But anyway, we about to see. We about to see. So here we go. I ain't gonna lie, I be using a lot of gel. My hair's thick. But the main choice, Do It For the Culture, that triple layer leave-in conditioner, it is really, really moisturizing. So I'm not like overly concerned with my hair being super dry. This feels really smooth going onto my hair. This feels different though. I didn't really want to shingle, but I'm gonna go ahead and shingle. Yeah. Just not gonna do really big set, small pieces. Y'all see? Okay. It actually looked good. Oh my god. Okay, so I have shingled my entire head with the new Wetline Xtreme Styling Gel. I don't think this video will do my hair justice. It doesn't really look like much right now because part of it is still wet and it's very, very shrunken. I'm gonna let it air dry for as long as possible, and if necessary, I'll go in with my blow dryer and diffuser and dry it, and then I'll stretch it and, you know, shape and pick and fluff and all that stuff. And I'll show you guys the results of that once, you know, once it's all dried and stretched out. But you just gotta, y'all see this? Like, I know you see it. I got my fancy middle part and I got fancy curls. Okay, so I'm back and these are my final results. This is actually day 3 hair. Don't come for me. Um, but yeah, so after it dried and I stretched it and picked it, fluffed it, shaped it how I want it to be shaped, this is how it turned out. It is nice and fluffy and full. I'm not mad at that. A lot of frizz right now. That's on me. I slept on it the first night without it being covered or anything like that. So this side here is definitely very, very frizzy. And then last night I actually put a bonnet on. Well, no, I didn't put a bonnet on. I wrapped it up in a satin scarf, and it just seems like it was more frizzy from wrapping it with the scarf, putting the scarf on and going to sleep than when I just sleep with my hair out on top of a satin pillowcase. So I don't know. I'm going to test that out and see what's going on with that. But for the most part, I'm happy with the results. A few things about this here Wetline Xtreme Gel. I did get some flakes, and I honestly don't believe it's from the gel and the combination of the Main Choice leave-in conditioner. I actually think it was the Main Choice Cheers shampoo and conditioner, because when I was applying the gel, it was like kind of foaming. It was weird. It was foaming up in my hair, and then in some spots I could just tell that it was gonna flake, and it was mostly towards the front of my hair. There's like, yeah, so I kind of had to mask that, but overall I really don't have any complaints about this gel. Unbiased, just from my experience using the other Wetline gel and this one, yes, my hair is not as hard or crunchy. It didn't hold the curls in certain spots as much as the other one with the green top did, but I'm okay with that because I like volume. I like my hair big and to look full, so that's what we have going on here. Can you see it? Yes, I really don't have any complaints about the gel. I will definitely be using the combination of this Wetline Xtreme with the blue cap and the Main Choice Do It for the Culture triple layer leave-in conditioner. And I'll probably try this with another leave-in conditioner. If you guys have any suggestions on a good leave-in or just a good moisturizing curl butter or something like that that you think I should pair this with, leave it down in the comments for me. Yeah, I'm not sure I'm feeling the middle part. It's not so fancy like I thought. It's kind of odd the way my hair falls with the middle part. I ended up tucking my hair behind my ears because I just didn't like how it was laying, especially after, you know, a couple of days and it getting more frizzy in certain spots. But overall, I'm feeling it, you know. I don't really have any complaints. So let me know what you guys think of my results. Let me know if you've tried this Wetline Xtreme Gel with this here navy blue top on it, and you know, what were your results like. And if you guys want me to try anything else, leave that down in the comments as well. Send me your suggestions. Y'all talk to me. Talk to me. It's kind of weird to get on camera and just talk to the camera and just hope somebody else is gonna watch. But like, I really want to talk to you guys. So you leave your comments, suggestions, questions, or whatever, and I'll definitely talk to you. I talk back. Yeah. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click the bell for post notifications. And also head on over to my Instagram. That's underscore Shayla Shay underscore. Thank ya. See you guys next time. Bye.